Good day everyone, I am Starlyn Del Valle Ambrosio from BTVTED 3A Episode A. So for today's video, I'm going to discuss to you the roast levels and types of grinds. So now let's proceed to the types of coffee grinds. So first, we need to know the meaning of coffee grinds. It is the breaking down of the roasted coffee bean to expose the interior of the bean, allow the right amount of oils and flavors to be extracted. Types of grind are extra coarse grind, medium coarse grind, fine grind, and extra fine grind. First is extra coarse grind. An extra coarse grind of coffee is a grind size that is larger than coarse but smaller than medium grind. This type of grind is typically used for brewing methods such as French press, cold brew, and percolators. The large grind allows the water to flow through the coffee more slowly, which results in a less bitter and more full-bodied cup of coffee. The longer extraction time also allows more of the coffee's oil and flavors to be released, creating richer and more complex taste. Extra coarse grind is also less likely to clog the filter, which make it the right choice for French press and other similar brewing methods. Coarse grind. A coarse grind of coffee is a grind size that is larger than a fine grind but smaller than extra coarse grind. This type of grind is typically used for brewing methods such as French press, cold brew, and percolators. Each grind allows the water to flow through the coffee more slowly, which results in a less bitter and more full-bodied cup of coffee. Slower extraction rate also allows more the coffee's oil and flavors to be released, creating a richer and more complex taste. Coarse grind is also less likely to clog the filter, which makes it the right choice for French press and other similar brewing methods. Medium coarse grind. A medium coarse grind is a grind size that falls between coarse and medium grind. It is similar to coarse grind but slightly smaller in size. This type of grind is suitable for brewing methods such as pour-over, Chemex, and AeroPress. Medium coarse grind allows the water to flow through the coffee at a moderate rate, balancing the extraction time and resulting in a clean and balanced cup of coffee. Moderate extraction rates also allows a good balance of the coffee's oils and flavors to be released, creating a well-rounded taste. Medium coarse grind is less likely to clog the filter than a fine grind and allows for a moderate extraction time. Fine grind. Fine grind coffee is a grind that is smaller than medium grind and larger than an extra fine grind. This type of grind is typically used for brewing methods such as espresso, mocha pot, and Turkish coffee. Small grind size allows for faster extraction and a higher pressure extraction methods such as espresso. Fine grind increases the surface area of coffee beans, allowing more of the coffee's flavors and oils to be released quickly, creating a strong and intense cup of coffee. However, a fine grind also considered the risk of clogging the filter, making it less suitable for other brewing methods. Extra fine grind. An extra fine grind of coffee is a grind size that is smaller than a fine grind. It is finest grind size available. Typically used for brewing methods such as Turkish coffee, where a very high surface area is required for maximum extraction. The extra fine grind increases the surface area of coffee's flavors and oils in a short period of time, creating a strong and intense cup of coffee. However, this grind size also increases the risk of clogging the filter and can make brewing process difficult, especially if not used correctly. The fine grind is also not suitable for most brewing methods other than Turkish coffee.